Hey guys, it's Eliana. Today I'll be pulling a prank on one of my friends. I'm sorry I haven't been really active. Anyways, today you can tell by the title what I'm gonna do. Here's the plan. So right now I'm about to go pick up Juan and we're about to go eat at McDonald's because he's craving for chicken nuggets. And I've been having coughs. I've been sick for a while and I've been having this really bad cough and he knows that. So the plan is that I'm gonna go to McDonald's with him. Hey Kacidy, I got an idea. So I'll just go ahead and pour this on a napkin and I'm gonna go ahead and bring that napkin. She's gonna be sitting in the back seat to record and I'm gonna pretend we're making a vlog and she's gonna be, so I'm gonna pretend I'm making a vlog or something and he won't know. So I'm gonna bring a napkin with me with the blood on it. And I've been having this bad cough, so I'll pretend I'm like, like just dying. Good luck to me and Team Eliana, and give us the thumbs like if you're ready to see his reaction. So here we go. Okay, change of plans. This right here is not gonna look real, and the blood's not gonna look fresh by the time I pick him up and go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just bring this with me. Since she's gonna be sitting in the back and bring a couple of napkins, she's just gonna do it real quick in the back seat when I tell her to. And she'll just hand it to me and there you go. So that's what the plan is. So good luck to us, Team Eliana, and please subscribe and like and give this a thumbs up if you're ready for his reaction. Okay, so we're about to pull a prank on him, but we're gonna pretend we're vlogging, so yeah. Are you driving?
I'm dirty.
Bag.
That ain't no better.
Hi,
You're still in this.
this is Juan.
Chelsea was talking about.
Huh?
Chelsea was talking about you. Like I showed her my picture. She was like, "You know what she looks like?" I was like, "Who?" She's like, Camilla.
Oh my god, I get that a lot.
What?
That's Isaiah. That's his cousin. My sister Cassidy.
Look, I got
And this
chased
is
by these
Juan.
dogs before.
Where?
Right
Oh
there.
yeah.
One time
One
whenever
that
I
you
was
down the
little,
hill, nigga, I was scared.
one time I was little and that nigga came at me. I ran around, jumped that fence, but I ripped my shirt. I was mad. It was bright.
Ooh, I'm glowing.
I'm playing corner on receipt. That shit's fun,
My freaking throat hurts.
bro. Take some cough drops.
But they're nasty.
It's alright.
I've been feeling like lightheaded today.
Probably got to poop.
I did poop.
You know what you need to watch?
What?
Steve-O TV or
Oh,
Steve-O.
that
Yeah, stupid. You should have left it at my house.
Anytime my dresser just chilling there.
It's at
I
half
watch
my
it at
house.
night because it just glows.
But yeah, so we're on our way to McDonald's and because
I'm
he
gonna
was
get
craving
a
for chicken
100
nuggets.
Freaking chicken nuggets. That's what I'm gonna get. But last time I didn't even get to go get them because y'all were bullshitting. We ended up eating pizza. I don't know why I got the seat so close.
You really put the windshield on. But yeah, we'll meet you at McDonald's.
Big folk team. I'll never ever be
So you're gonna get off and go get it?
Yeah.
So you're just gonna go order it and pick it up?
Yeah. Cause look at that freaking line, bro. You wanna wait in there?
We're waiting here.
Yeah, but just make sure you bring the napkin so I can blow my nose.
What do you want? You want something?
Chicken nuggets, I guess.
You can give me something.
Yeah. Damn, how you fucking gay, bro? You want?
Okay, guys.
Can I get an ice cream? Ice cream cone?
Okay, so guys, we're here at McDonald's, and obviously we can't go to the drive-thru because the line is long. He already knows the plan. But oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm scared I'm gonna laugh. I'm scared I'm gonna freaking mess it up.
Just pretend it's real. Like,
Here we go. Remember, he thinks we're vlogging, so.
Just have it in your hands already. Just like that.
So we might have to change plans again because.
Just in your hands.
caution: do not use theoretical blood in mouth or near eyes. This is not a food product. Do not drink. Take care. If blood temporarily stains skin, do not rub. The stain will fade. Repeated gentle washing. Blood may permanently stain curtain surfaces, fabric, and carpeting. Recommended ages 14 and up.
All right. So what's the plan?
Just have it in your
So then
hand.
just have it in your hand.
Or should I just put it on here real quick and just put it on the side and be like, oh my god.
Or I can just like run in there. I can like
Yeah.
run in.
Yeah, she's that rag right
I
there.
feel like I can run in there right now and be like, Eliana just like coughed up blood. So I gotta get napkins.
No. I wanted to see his
Come
reaction
out.
on here.
Yeah, pour it on there. Pour it on there and have it. Pour it on there.
But okay, plan change again. She's gonna
Pour it on
pour the
there.
blood on the rag. I'm gonna have the rag right here, and I'll be like, oh my god, Juan. And I'll just find it, and I'll be like, and I'll just spit it out, and there's gonna be blood there on the rag.
Make it look like it's spread out.
Oh my
Dab
God.
it with the.
Yeah, dab it with that. That does not look real.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, it does. When you cough, it spreads. It doesn't stay in one spot.
Yeah, I know, but like, it's.
Right there.
This looks so real. Look at that.
Look
That
at
looks
it.
so real.
God damn, them niggas be on some bullshit.
Yeah.
Halfman, did you want something, nigga?
Nah, you're alright. It's alright.
Don't lie, Kacidy, did you want something, fool?
I don't like these ones.
Don't lie, bro. I was like 3:34, and he was like, "You should got your shit already." He was like, "You should have got your stuff already." I was like, "Yeah, I know." And then he told them niggas something too.
Really?
Kind of rude,
Look at that. I'm like glowing, Juan.
cause you put highlight on.
Ew.
What?
I just cut that like French fries.
Well, I don't know if you wanted any kind of sauce, so I just got you barbecue sauce.
I want a ketchup.
Hey.
Stuck in my throat.
I'm gonna go get some fucking ketchup from here.
Okay, but my throat, like, there's something stuck in my throat.
It's probably a booger.
Are you good, dog?
You think it's burgers?
Man, bro.
Ugh.
I wanna get lost in love with you. Stupid ass.
Okay, I'll do it once he gets back in the car and be like coffee. But I want it to be like mocos in there. That looks like mocos. Like when you pour it in.
Chew French fry, like a small piece, and then just like chew it up really good.
I give you some raw
And then
boogers.
just like,
Ew. No, like really like when you pour it on there, it looks.
it's like gooey.
You got boogers in your throat? Go. Spit it on there.
Do you have it? Do you have
No.
boogers? Oh, do you have like? Yeah.
I'm the only one.
Oh shit, he's coming.
So let me share. So.
Coming from the hood.
Here for this.
Yeah.
Niggas are like,
I gotta help you.
no, I just need some ketchup. Oh, okay. Park at?
I don't know where you gonna go park at.
I don't know. I was just gonna go to the river, to the park.
I'm gonna go hurry up.
Golly, nobody even freaking. Golly. You gotta get all mad. Golly, what is on your throat?
I don't know, Juan, but for real, like I feel like sick, like I don't know. There's like really something stuck in my throat.
Let me see. Why is your tongue orange?
I don't know.
He's gonna chill you, remember?
Boy, you finna record this shit? I wanna eat, see if nigga eat in front of that. It's kinda awkward. There you go. Your Jack in the Box ass freaking.
Do you have like a towel or something?
Yeah.
She's hot.
Yeah, alright. Want some chicken nuggets?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat them.
Got another.
Sounds like orange chicken.
Hold on, Juan. There's something stuck in my throat.
You wanna get some water? Want me to go to the store real quick?
Oh my god, Juan.
What?
Oh my god. Oh my
Damn,
god.
Don't be bullshitting, bro.
Juan,
Bro, don't bullshit, Eliana.
Juan, there is the blood on it. I told you.
Bro, do you wanna go to the doctor? Bro, don't play, bro. Y'all don't play, bro. You wanna go to the doctor, fool? Don't lie, bro.
What does that mean?
I don't know. Do you want? It means that your throat's fucked up, bro. You wanna go to the doctor, bro? You wanna go?
Yeah, just take her to the doctor.
Alright.
No. No. No, Juan.
Nah,
I'm
bro. What
fine.
the fuck you mean, no, bro? Y'all better not be playing though, for real.
It says can be serious unless
Oh my god, I caught on
bronchitis
camera.
is due to bronchitis.
You probably got bronchitis.
What does that mean?
I don't know. I think it's like fluid in your lungs.
Look.
Bro, I'm taking to the doctor, man. Nigga. I don't care if you say no, bro.
No.
No, shut
No.
up with that no shit. Like,
No, Juan, no.
Yes, bro.
No,
what do you
I don't
mean,
wanna
no?
go.
I don't care, bro.
No.
I don't care, bro.
No, Juan.
I don't care. Like,
No.
You can say no all you want, bro.
No.
You can keep saying no.
No, Juan. What did I say? No.
I don't care, really.
No.
Come on, nigga. You didn't see that shit, bro? I don't care, bro. I'm finna take your ass, bro. And y'all better not be playing, because if y'all playing, I'm gonna be mad, fool. Oh, God. But you can keep saying no, bro.
No, I don't want to go.
Well, you're going.
No, I don't want to go because
Why,
then they're gonna
fool?
stick needles in me and everything. Like,
Hey,
I don't
bro,
want
I'ma
to.
be there with you,
No,
fool. None of
I
that
don't want to
shit
go.
means nothing, Eliana. Come on, bro. What the fuck you mean you don't want to go? You're just gonna be there sick the whole time, nigga?
Yes, I'm fine.
No, you're not,
Yes,
bro.
I
Obviously,
am.
you're not, Eliana.
Juan, I am.
Bro, if that shit came out, you're not, bro. You're not okay if that shit comes out. Bro, I say y'all niggas better not be on no playing shit, bro.
Does it look like I'm playing?
What would we be
Because, bro, y'all, I was outside for so long. I don't know, y'all could be doing some dumb shit like that.
How? I don't even have blood like that.
I thought Kacidy had fake blood.
No.
I thought y'all bought some from the store last time, from Walmart.
When?
See, I can't play a fool.
Hey, but you fall for it. So
Bro,
I
but
got
you're
you, didn't I?
stupid, bro.
But I got you, didn't I?
A little bit.
Yeah, So Team
But see,
Eliana, I got him.
I already knew what the fuck you were doing because I was outside of the car for so long. You ain't get me, bro. I was just playing along with it.
Yeah, okay, whatever.
I was,
Whatever,
fool,
I
because
got
you didn't start crying for real. That's how I knew
No,
you
I was
wasn't
about to
bullshit.
start crying, but you knew it. So you fell for it. So I got you. Right?
No.
Yeah, I did.
That's what you were
Did
looking
I get him, guys?
That's what you're looking for whenever you got in the car and you was like, I was looking for something that I lost. That's what you were looking for.
Yeah,
bro.
whatever. Shut
I
up.
already
No,
knew
but
you-
still, I got you, right?
No.
I got you. Yeah, okay, whatever.
Bruh,
But Team Eliana.
I don't even want to eat my
let's see,
chicken nuggets
let's
no
see.
more. You can have them.
Like, see if I can get him next time or something with something. But,
I'm going home, bro.
yep. Team Eliana, I got him, so give
That
it
was a
thumbs
weak
like
ass
if
play.
you like his reaction. I tried to not laugh so hard, Juan. I tried to not laugh so hard.
Whatever, bro. I don't even want to be on this shit no more.
Okay, well, I think that's it for the video. Y'all want to say something? But credit to them for them to help me out.
Isaiah, you're gay, bro. I'm never your friend no more, bro.
I got
I always
you.
knew
I
you
got
like
you. I
boys,
got you.
Isaiah.
I got you. That's it.
And
Team
Isaiah
Eliana,
likes
Team
boys.
Eliana.
And
Put
Isaiah
it down in
likes
the
boys.
comments. Team Eliana.
And Isaiah likes boys. Yeah.
No.
You finna talk
One.
to him.
No.
I'm gonna stop so you can talk to him.
No. No. You're not gonna stop. Go. No. Stop. Please subscribe and share this video. Yeah. Thank you for watching.
They run.